Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair Dyson Air Purifier with Android smartphone. To do this, first you will need to download app called Dyson, My Dyson actually, and then open it. Now make sure that your air purifier is powered on and connected to the power source. You can find the power button when it kindly rotates to the front of the camera, and there's a power key right here above the screen. Now when it's powered on, you should be able to detect it inside the app. Here it is. We can click on that air purifier and hold your device next to the machine display. Now press the power button on the machine, the one that I mentioned that is above the screen on your air purifier. Now machine is paired and we can continue with the setup. We'll need to connect ourselves with the Wi-Fi network. I'm not sure if this device does support 5G networks, so it's better to go with 2.4G network. Enter the password for the network. I'm going to do it off screen. When you enter the password, it should start connecting with your air purifier. We can continue. Select the room where our air purifier will be placed. For me, it doesn't matter. Then we can select the purchase date for our machine. And before we get started, our machine will automatically receive new updates. If you want to turn off auto updates, you can do it inside the settings. And also I recommend to watch one of the next videos that will record on this device. I'll show you there how to do it. And here our device is fully set and ready to go with our smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.